Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. MacBook Neo 2026, is it finally the laptop every American needs? Apple is gearing up to shake the laptop market once again with the MacBook Neo 2026, and tech enthusiasts across the US are buzzing. From sleek design upgrades to rumored performance breakthroughs, the MacBook Neo promises to redefine what a laptop can do. But the big question remains, should you really replace your current laptop with Apple's next-generation machine? Design that turns heads. The MacBook Neo 2026 is rumored to feature a slimmer, lighter design while maintaining Apple's signature premium build. For Americans constantly on the go, whether commuting in New York, working from a cafe in San Francisco, or traveling between meetings, the lighter body and compact size could be a game changer. Early leaks suggest a larger, edge-to-edge display with improved brightness and color accuracy, making it perfect for creatives, coders, and video editors alike. Next-level performance. Under the hood, Apple is expected to introduce its most powerful chip yet, possibly an M4 or M5 series variant. This means faster processing speeds, better multitasking, and improved energy efficiency. For Americans who rely on their laptops for work, streaming, and gaming, this could finally deliver the smooth, lag-free performance users have been craving. Rumors also hint at enhanced GPU performance, which would make the MacBook Neo a powerhouse for graphic design, video editing, and gaming. Battery life. That lasts all day. Battery anxiety is a real concern for American laptop users. Apple is reportedly addressing this with longer battery life, allowing users to work, study, or stream for hours without hunting for an outlet. Early leaks suggest a battery that could last up to 20 hours, which is ideal for students, professionals, and digital nomads across the US. US release date and pricing. Rumors according to industry insiders, Apple may announce the MacBook Neo in late 2026, with pre-orders opening shortly after. Pricing is still under wraps, but experts speculate that the starting price could range between $1,499 to $1,999, making it competitive for high-end American laptops. Considering Apple's track record, it's likely that the MacBook Neo will also offer custom configurations for power users willing to spend more for extra RAM, storage, or premium finishes. Should you upgrade? The big question for Americans, is it worth replacing your current laptop? If you're still using older MacBooks, Windows laptops, or struggling with performance issues, the MacBook Neo 2026 could be the ultimate upgrade. With its combination of sleek design, powerful performance, and long battery life, it's designed to appeal to both professionals and everyday users. However, those with newer devices may want to weigh the cost against the benefits, especially considering Apple's premium pricing. Final thoughts. The MacBook Neo 2026 isn't just another laptop. It's a statement from Apple. Designed with Americans in mind, this next-generation device blends style, power, and convenience like never before. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, creative professional, or tech enthusiast, the MacBook Neo promises to deliver next-level performance while keeping you productive on the go. Stay tuned as more leaks and official announcements surface. This could be the laptop that finally changes the way Americans work, play, and create. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.